Okay, so the guy came to repair the spot today. Let's see. Can't get it to focus. No. The gouge is gone. It looks like spray paint. It's hard to get a good view. I don't know why the phone's blue. But anyways, got some sandpaper. I got some tape. Got some more sandpaper. The 20 grit. More sandpaper. More sandpaper. I don't know where I come from. I leave the place cleaner than when I left. Not even close to how a spa show should look.